Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today we'll be discussing about surface crack lines. Now, how many of you who have just moved into your new home and after several weeks, months or even years, you started to discover more and more crack lines on your wall, regardless of internal or external? And how many of you who have experience in repairing all these crack lines, but no matter how you do it, you still end up with those visible, ugly crack lines? Now, I have the solution just for you. This is Mapei Mapeflex AC-P Render Effect Paintable Acrylic Sealant. Mapeflex AC-P is used to seal internal and external expansion and construction joints subjected to a medium amount of movement and surface cracks in all types of absorbent building materials. The render effect finish is obtained by adding special white aggregates in a particular particle size. To apply the sealant, cut off the tip of the threaded part of the cartridge and screw on the nozzle. Trim the tip of the nozzle at 45 degrees according to the width of the joint. Insert the cartridge into a suitable sealant gun. Now imagine this as the crack line on your wall. Apply Mapeflex AC-P. Smooth the surface using a trowel or a scraper. Wow, very easy and simple. Always remember, all the surfaces to be sealed must be sound and have no traces of dust, loose portions, oil, grease or old paint. For a wider or deeper joints, apply one layer of sealant, Mapeflex AC-P. Try to smooth the surface with a trowel or scraper. Once it is dry, we are going to apply another layer of sealant. How about we step up the challenge by using a wider and deeper groove line? Use a scraper and try to level up the surface. After 24 hours, please be expected to have a shrinkage of 15 to 20%. So what should you do? Apply another layer of sealant. Do you know that Mapei Mapeflex AC-P can be used to fill up the gaps between your door frames or window frames with the walls? Not forgetting, you can also use the sealant to fill up the groove line on the stone veneer. I believe that the main advantages of using this Mapeflex AC-P is definitely the render effect finish, as you can see here. And also the ease of application, where you can just do it all by yourself without relying on your contractors or even tradesmen. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy and would like to know more about my DIY or home improvement videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye!